making here, buddy?
A cloud.
Oh man, all right, so what are we gonna do first?
First, you're gonna get this water. You're
Right.
gonna dump it into at least the second or third line.
Yeah, so we got some steaming hot water there, so you want your parents to help you out get that. Pour that in there. All right. And then we're gonna take the jar.
You're
We're
gonna
gonna
swirl it around.
And really all we're doing is heating up the sides of the jar with the hot water, and then we're going to take and put our lid on top. And now, right away, we're going to grab these ice cubes, and we're going to put the ice cubes on the top of the jar. Now, do you know why we're doing that, Zachy?
Because the steam is gonna follow up to the ice cubes.
Yeah, that's really smart. So that's what's going to happen. The hot water is going to steam up to the ice cubes, and the difference in temperatures is going to cause vapors to form in there. But here's the thing. We can't see those vapors because the water vapor has nothing to bond to. So when you see clouds up in the atmosphere, it's because the water can bond to molecules or pollution or whatever that's in the air, and that's why you see the clouds. But right now, there's nothing in there for the water to bond to. So what we're gonna do is take an aerosol, like a hairspray, or hopefully we're gonna use some nail dry here, and hopefully it works the same way. You wanna use hairspray generally, and we're gonna spray a little in there so that the water vapor has somewhere to cling to. So you wanna film, buddy? I'm gonna do the spray here, and we're gonna lift this off really quickly. Spray that in there. And now, if you look inside, you'll see that the water is starting to bond to the spray that we put in there and create a cloud. In fact, you can even see a little bit of it escaping out the side of the jar. Right
Why?
here, look at it. See? There you go. And you look inside the jar, you can see it. And now if we take the lid off, our cloud will escape. There's our cloud.
Oops. I'm gonna put that back in there.
There it is, buddy. We did science.
Yay!
Yay!
You wanna post that online?
We'll see.